if you just got your dbrand Prism 2.0 for the Nintendo Switch 2. Relax, this is going to be easy. First things first, make sure you're in a clean, bright, dust-free environment. Inside the box, you'll find a Prism 2.0 and a cleaning kit. The cleaning kit includes a microfiber cloth, alcohol wipes, and a squeegee. Note that each order comes with 2 sets of prisms, just in case you f*** it up on your first try. Before getting started, we need to cover an important topic about the screen on your Nintendo Switch 2. Unlike most modern technology, the Switch 2 display is not a glass surface. Instead, it's covered with a non-removable plastic film that's very prone to scratches. If you already scratched your screen, even from something as simple as docking your console, don't worry. The Prism will not only prevent any further scratches, but may even hide any existing micro-scratches on the screen. Because the Switch 2 screen is so abnormally delicate, it's important to follow these instructions exactly to ensure you don't cause damage to your screen. Let's get started. Before installation, ensure that your console is turned off and that the Joy-Cons are detached. Use one of the 4 included alcohol wipes to clean off your screen. Next, use the microfiber cloth to clean off the alcohol. At this point, your screen should be spotless. Grab the installation tray and attach it to your Switch 2. The orientation doesn't matter. This next part is important. Pay attention. Before removing the pull tab, you'll need to secure the tray with your opposite hand. When doing so, do not press down on the screen area. Instead, gently hold the outer edges of the tray and remove the pull tab completely. Quickly swipe along the dotted line, then wait 5 seconds. You may now remove the installation tray. If you're noticing bubbles at this point, don't panic. Simply use the included squeegee to sweep them out towards the edge of the glass. If your screen is bubble-free, you're done. If you're still finding tiny clusters of bubbles near the edge, grab your microfiber cloth. Firmly press it against the edge of the glass, then rub along the affected area until the air pockets have disappeared. Done! If you have any questions, you know how to reach us.